Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Outlook mobile emails using Microsoft Account Sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Outlook mobile app on your device. If you haven't already, sign in with your Microsoft account. Tap the profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Select the settings option from the menu that appears. Scroll down to the Mail Accounts section. Tap on the account you want to back up. Ensure that Sync Mail is enabled. Next, look for the option that says Sync Calendar and ensure that it is also enabled. Return to the main settings menu after enabling both options. Now, go back to the main mail screen. Swipe down on the inbox to refresh and ensure all data is synced. To check if your emails are backed up, open a web browser. Go to the Outlook.com website. Sign in using the same Microsoft account you used in the mobile app. Navigate to your inbox to confirm that all emails are present. Make sure to check other folders, such as sent items and drafts. After confirming everything is synced, your backup is complete. You can now access your emails from any device using your Microsoft account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.